Are you sleepy?
Baby dog. Baby dog.
Sleepy dog? The dog is sleepy? Oh. You look kind of sleepy. You didn't get a good nap, did you? You want a
big book?
Big book, huh? Okay. Come up here and look at the big book. You want to tell me what you see in the big book? Yeah, Daddy's pillow.